In this video, we're going to show you the one-year home that we discovered near Cantiano in Le Marche. We're entering now a fraction of Cantiano called Fossato Fieri Cavalli.
This thing is recording.
Ersagra is based on horses. Fossato is actually really nice. There were not a lot of one-euro home properties in this community. Passing a butcher shop. There are quite a few people that live up here. I really wonder what they do for work. What do these people do for work, Ella? I wonder how accessible this road is in the wintertime. We're actually almost there. Alright, so we're looking at our location here. I stopped up here at the top just because I wanted to walk around for a second. But the last remaining property is on Via Pian di Lucchio, numero 12, number 12. And so the street of Pian di Lucchio in the city of Pian di Lucchio. So it's just a really small neighborhood. And so I'm not sure how many people live here, but we're going to try to locate it based on photos. I'll show you what I'm looking at right now. There's some pretty beautiful villas in the area. I think I found it already. There's like a barricade with red and white stripes at the end of the street here. So, buongiorno. Posso chiedere una domanda? Sono venuto in zona per la Casa Runero. C'è una qua fino alla strada, no?
Sì, ma non lo so io.
Vabbè, grazie.
So che qui...
Abitate qua?
No, no.
Ah.
Noi no.
Oh, vabbè. Roma, bella. Meglio Roma, no? So we're gonna walk down here. I can see they've got this beautiful effect that Gubbio had as well. The people I just talked to were on a vacation from Rome. So this is a vacation spot. Let's see. Based on the pictures, I see the gate actually right there. So it's this property ahead of us right now. You can see the red and white stripes, right? That's what I was talking about. But you can literally see if you go online, this exact gate is online. So I'm assuming, yeah, and it even says number 12 over there. So this house is on the Casa of €1 home project. And it's in better condition than I had imagined. I wonder if it means, you can see up in the top area that there's like a roof tile missing here and there. So maybe the roof is caved in a portion of the property. Let's go take a look around and see if we can't see the back side of it. This will pretty much be the only video footage of this property. I was unfortunate to time this experience poorly and not be able to contact the people at the Comune. It just didn't make it to town in time. So I don't know if there's like neighbors here. I don't want to disturb a lot of people. It's probably vacation homes, but that one over on the left side. So if I can tell you a little bit of information, it would be cool. Curious how far this goes up. It's interesting. There's like a beaten path over here. Here I'm reading and just telling you a little bit about the parcels. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parcels attached to this thing. One of them has 5 rooms, which probably means it's a good 120 square meters. From the documentation, describes the space actually as 45 square meters on various floors. Basement, the ground floor, and the upper floor. It's a total of about 135 square meters. There's 175 square meters on the exterior, like backyard, front yard, and there's an actual additional 20 square meters in the property in the back, used as a garage. It's not bad. I'm assuming it goes from the corner to this corner. Actually, I don't know if you can tell over there, I just noticed it. There's a pretty decent sized crack in the corner of that property. This is definitely not your, it's not like Musameli, for example. This is just a single home. Let's get a closer look at this crack. Oh, there's two of them. But you definitely want to have someone look at it. It's understanding that you're buying a property that has a big crack in it and you're gonna need to fix it. Because that one goes all the way up. It doesn't come off the other side anywhere, so that's good. Got some boarded up windows here. It moves. Sure wish I could see inside. We're here on the back side of it now. So the front is confusing because the front looks like it's about double the size based on the coloring, and here's another crack that goes up in the same direction. The back side looks like it's got limited space, so maybe it's like an L-shaped property. But it's definitely a beautiful zone. People come here on vacation. The meadows there are beautiful, and I guess this is like private property. Maybe this thing right here is part of it, maybe. And that might be like that extra parcel that is under consideration. That's about it. I guess all I can show you for this Casa Lucchio in Pian di Lucchio. The current status is that it's declared unfit for use, and it's obviously because of the structural defects on the load-bearing wall. Definitely needs some intervention. Talking about interventions, various videos, you'll probably have seen a large piece of iron that is just looks kind of decorative on the exterior of the wall on these cement buildings. What they do is they send a large rod through the wall, and then they attach it to that vertical piece, and then they pull it all together, and so it keeps the wall from protruding outward. So this is one form of intervention that can be done. Anyone that buys this is going to have to deal with that before they ever get to use it, but it's a beautiful property. It's in a beautiful area. If you need a house in Le Marche, just outside of Cantiano near Gubbio, this is a €1 home that's still available. Regarding the process, after you fill out this application, and it's a kind of a sealed bid, you make your offer, you tell them your plan, send them the documentation, and they decide based on the offers who they're going to reward it to. Their biggest focus are commitment for the conclusion of the work, whether it's your primary home or it's going to be your secondary home. They also want you to use local workers to do an inspection, and anybody who actually offers more money as opposed to €1 will have a higher priority. They reward you a series of points based on this information. That's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching this. If this is the €1 home that it fits more into your interest, make sure to contact the Comune of Cantiano to really ask the good questions and make sure you're well informed about this whole situation. Thanks, everyone.